Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Freedom Motivator channel. Thanks for coming today. If this is your first time here and you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button down there at the bottom right and ding dong that bell so you get notified when we post new videos, okay? Alright, got a good video for you here today. I'm going to show you how to make $12 per hour using your cell phone today, okay? So it's a good value video for you, and you'll be able to make yourself some extra money, okay? Alright, we'll be right back in just a moment. Hey everybody, welcome back to Freedom Motivator channel. Alright, got a good video for you today. Going to show you how you can make $12 per hour with your cell phone today. Okay, and you can start that immediately. Okay, alright, so let's go ahead and get right into this. The website that we're going to go to where you can get involved with this at is called fieldagent.net. It's fieldagent.net there. And what it is you use your cell phone, and this works on both Android or iPhone, and you can become an agent for this company. And what you do is you just go into like stores or restaurants or different places wherever the job is that you pick at, and you take pictures with your cell phone. You take pictures and then you send the pictures to the Field Agent website here, and then they send it off to the company. And then, of course, you get paid after they accept your picture for Field Agent. But they'll send that information or that picture off to the company, and that way the company can see how their products are doing. So you'll be going and taking pictures of companies' products in their stores or restaurants or different places, and I'll show you that here in just a second. So, yeah, come here to fieldagent.net, and you can look over this website and see a little bit about it. It's something also along the lines of sort of like mystery shopping too. Okay. Now, you can see down here it shows you some of the companies or the types of pictures that they want, such as companies want to know how well their displays are doing, how they look in the stores, if they're if their products are staying stocked on the shelves good. They want to know about if the prices are good on their products, and so you can see somebody's took a picture of the price of the product here for the dog food, and they want to know about their planograms. I'm sure you've seen these in the stores where they highlight to have like a little graphical thing up here, and then they you see all this particular products involved have to do with like the sun here in this one, and others will be like Coke or Pepsi or something along that line. We've all seen them in like Walmarts and things like that. And then they want to know how the other competitors too are marketing their products next to theirs. So those types of pictures are valuable. And then also you can take up close-up shots, and they want to know how what the customers and shoppers think of their products too, and if they're if they're canned right or boxed right or whatever, and if it looks good to them, and so on and so forth. So these are some of the areas, just a few of the areas that you can take pictures with your phone and make $12 an hour, up to $12 an hour. Now, if we come down here, you can see what you can get jobs in the packaged goods in retailer stores such as like Walmart's or whatever, Target or Costco, whatever, different agencies, and different beverages, restaurants, and even in academics also. So here's some of the platforms that this particular site has been seen on before on TV and stuff, and this is just some of the companies that they work for right here. Cody, Jarden, Johnson & Johnson, these are all big brand name companies here. Tyson, Nestle, Hershey's, Kellogg's, Kohler, Coke, and Clorox, a lot of different, Procter & Gamble, these types of companies. Big companies that want this information when you take pictures of their products, and then they pay you for doing that. Alrighty, so some of the other things down here. Now this job or this business will work in about 8 different countries. So if you're in one of these locations where you see these at right here, South Africa, United Kingdom, Romania, Australia, Canada, United States, Mexico, and Ecuador, if you're in one of those, then this will work for you. But if you're in like Russia or some parts of South Africa and some parts of South America, these are not going to work for you. This business won't work for you. They don't serve those countries or continents, whatever. But so that's a little bit more about it there. And if I come back up here to the top and we click on app users, click here, which would be us, and it says here it pays to be a field agent. Just simply use your iPhone, Android, and gather specific information, then get paid for it. And there's a little video about it right here that you can check out too. You can make money and make a difference and improve how companies serve their customers here, it says. And it shows you a little bit about how to go about doing it. Just download the app, complete your field agent profile in the app, and then you can right away, immediately, start finding jobs near you that you can begin doing even right now, today. So in other places that it's been seen about this website. And some of the frequently asked questions down here, of course, you want to know how you're going to get paid. Right here it says, how do I cash out my earnings? Well, they'll pay you either in direct deposit, or they can direct deposit it, either direct deposit to your bank or to your prepaid debit card if you have one of those. All right, and then down here it says, of course, everybody wants to know how much they're going to get paid, right? Well, right here it says jobs typically pay between $1 and $12 each. So you can make up to $12 per hour if you do one of these every hour, right? If there's a lot of jobs in your area, in your town or city where you live at, well, you can jump right on those and possibly get $12 each one of those per hour. So, you know, you could make some money, quite a bit of money, even in just one day doing this, spending some time to do this with. And it tells you a little bit about what you'll be asked to do, if you're in the right locations, and so on and so forth. So there's a lot of frequently asked questions by people on there, on this site too. So this is pretty much what I had for you today. Wanted to share this with you here. And you can certainly get right on this and be a part of this today with no issue at all. You just want to make sure you go to fieldagent.net. I'll have the link down below in the description for it, so you can just click that and go right to it. Okay? So that's what I had for you today. Good value video for you, help you make some money if you need some extra money. And actually, you could probably even do this full time, I suppose, and make pretty good money with it. Okay? All right. So now, if you want to see my #1 business down below, where you'll get a free marketing ebook called Attraction Marketing. I give you a free ebook, and you get it. You have to click the link mentorwithkev.com. When you click that link, you get the free ebook, and you'll get to see my #1 business and see how it works for free. And that's my #1 recommended business. If you've watched my other videos, you know I've talked about this. It's a high-ticket business, and it's only $30 to get involved in, to get started with, and you can make big money with this business. This is a full-time business for sure. So get the free ebook, Attraction Marketing, which will help you in this business also, and learn how to get people to come to you instead of you having to find them. You get customers coming to you. All right, so click the link Mentor with Kev down there below in the description below the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell, and check my other links out there and hook up with me on Facebook, Instagram, and I have a Twitter account now too. You can connect with me on there also. All right, so that's all I have for you today. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video, okay? All right, bye-bye now.